Hey everyone, it's Gina B here. Congratulations, 1 week down. So let's get ready. It's going to be week 2, session 1. We've got 15 minutes here to power through. Let's do it. All right, so nice and easy here. We start with a gentle pace. Our first 5-minute session, we just want to get our bodies warmed up, and we're going to build all the way through to 50 minutes. So just nice and easy to start with. Keep going. Let's take a deep breath in here and stretch those arms up and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. All right, take it out. That's it. Just a nice little hook. All we're doing is swaying from side to side and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. That's it. Now let's roll the shoulders. That's it. And the other way, roll. So really all I want you to focus on in this 5 minutes is just warming up the body. Now walk, 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 walk. All right, let's shake it out a little bit. Here we go. Shake, shake, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Nice and easy pace. Have fun with the music. Walk, walk. All right, let's add some funky disco arms. Here we go. Breathe it in. Roll it down and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. That's up and down. Now we go. Pump those arms. Warm it up. Now both arms. That's it. Really just groove it. Have fun here. Now let's go heel digs. That's it. Really warming up those calf muscles. Driving those legs forward. Now take it back. Take it back. Now right after this, we're going to go into a nice, easy walk. Take it forward. Walk it forward. Now on the spot, take it back. So we just kind of add some travel to amp that cardio level up just a little bit. And take it back. That's it. Now, back to those heel digs. That's it. Warming up the whole body in our dance moves. Take it back. Take it back. Let's add some disco fun to it. That's it. Now walk on the spot. Let's add those disco arms again. Take a deep inhale and exhale. All you have to focus on is getting through this 5 minutes. And it's going to go so quickly. All right, take it up. Side together. Now in with our arms. All we're doing is taking a side step together. That's it. And in with those arms. Walk it on the spot. All right, now push it forward. Push it forward. Take it up. And combine the two and up. Forward and up. Take it for a forward walk. And hold it there. Take it back. Hold it there. So see how the pace is nice and relaxed? In week 1, that's how we keep it. Good job, guys. All right, now we're gonna go out, out, back, back. Out, out, back, back. 4 on each leg. Let's go for 4 more. 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Walk it forward. Now, roll those arms. Take it back. And roll. Add some funk into that walk. Take it back. That's it. Now let's kick it back. Kick it back. Kick it back. Amp up that warming up to the legs. Excellent, everyone. Now take your knee up. Now remember, knee to you. Don't bring your back to your knee. You want to bring the knee up to your chest. Now kick it back. Get right back. That's it. Keep it nice and low and easy. And take it up. Now really reach. Reach. If you can. Good job. All right, walk it forward. Take it back now. So no stops. We're just going to continuous walk forward and back. That's it. Take it back. Here we go. One more time. Reach it up and roll it. Let's go to the side. Walk, walk, walk. Now add a side step. Walk, walk, walk. Add a side step. Walk, walk, walk. Add a side step. One more time. Walk on the spot. Walk, walk, walk. Okay, now just take it up a little bit more in intensity. Bring those knees up a little bit more. That's it. Breathe it in and out. And in and out. Good job, guys. Well done. 5 minutes, done. All right, today we're doing a cha-cha-cha style 5-minute workout here. So just a nice easy pace, starting with our walk. That's it. And 1, 2, 1, 2, to the beat. Here we go. First dance movement, cha-cha-cha. Now if you want to, you can just close your feet or add that triple step or just do it like this. 1, 2, here. That's it. Or join me with this cha-cha-cha like I am. And walk, 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 walk. So nice and easy. Driving those elbows, lifting those knees up. That's it. Keep it going. We're going to repeat that dance move. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. 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 Now really get those hips rocking. Cha-cha-cha. And forward rock. Cha-cha-cha. That's it. Now let's go to a walk. Forward. Walk, walk, walk. Nice and easy pace. That's what it's all about. We're growing that cardio. And back we go. All right, step 2, here we go. Side, cha-cha-cha. So really similar to the first one, except we rock to the side. Now add some arms, reach it out. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. And walk, walk, walk. Walk. Let's add some arms. Here we go, to the beat. Take it up. Take it forward. And back to that side, cha-cha-cha. Out. Cha-cha-cha. Let's get loud, guys. Turn that music up. Here we go. Cha-cha-cha. 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 And walk it forward. I love this song. It came out by Jennifer Lopez a while ago, but it still gets me going. Here we go. Walk it forward. That's it. Shake it out. Have fun with it. And here we go. We're going to go third dance move. We take it across. Cha-cha-cha. Out. Cha-cha-cha. Open up those arms. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. All right, walk it up. Here we go. And up, and forward, and up. We're going to increase that cardio intensity here by adding those arms up. That's it. All right, we're going to go back into those opening out cha-cha-chas. Here we go. Out, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. I'm sure you guys are rocking it out in your living room, having fun with this. All right, walk on the spot and roll and shake it up, up, down, down, and roll. Up, up, down, down. 2 more sets here. Roll, roll, roll. Now back cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Do little mini bicep curls here. Work those arms. That's why dance moves are so good, because it works your whole body. Cha-cha-cha. Now walk it forward. Roll it. Shake it back. That's it. Roll, roll, roll. Shake it back. Give me those shimmies, guys. Shake it back. Guess what? Going right back into that cha-cha back step. Now remember, you can take out that triple step at any time and just close your feet. I like to do the triple step to add a bit more intensity and get my hips going and using my core. And walk it on the spot. Okay, lift those knees. Push it out. Push it up. And again. Take it up. Guess what? We're gonna go right back into that first cha-cha-cha, step forward. Forward, cha-cha-cha, reach it up, cha-cha-cha, reach. That's it. Come on, push it out. You got this. Push. Take it forward, walk. Here we go. Take it back. That's it. Nice, easy step. One more walk. And walk forward. Cha-cha-cha. And cha-cha-cha. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a disco-inspired fun walk today to Gloria Gaynor, I Will Survive. I love this track and I love disco. We're gonna have lots of fun here. All right, take a deep breath in and reach it up. Big breath in. Now roll those arms down. Okay, so we wanna funk up that walk and roll it down. Now reach and down. One more before we go into our first dance move. First heel dig. Heel dig for forward, for 4. Then we tap it back for 4. That's it. Now really reach up your arms. We want to use our whole body in these dance moves. Take it back for 3, for 2, for 1. Let's go again. That's it. And take it back. Lots of energy here. Really reach those arms. Maximize them. Come on. Out we go. Back to that walk. Now travel with me, forward and back. Now if you don't have the space, you don't have to move forward and back, but if you can, use the space so that we can challenge ourselves and increase that cardio intensity. Right back into that dance move. Here we go. You will survive. And 15 minutes, that's all you gotta do. Here we go, forward. Take it back. Lots of energy. And walk, walk, walk. All right, get those knees up. Drive those elbows. Stand tall and strong. We're gonna go into dance move number 2. This one, I just want you to have some fun with it. Let's do a bit of a disco shuffle. Here we go. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. This is just about grooving to the beat, having some fun with it. Add your hips in. And 1, 1, 2. Back into our walk. Here we go. Travel it. All right. How are you feeling today? You should already say, thank you for walking, body. Okay? Talk to your body. Talk to your mind. Energize yourself. Power through the end of this walk. Here we go. And 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. You're so close to finishing this second move. Come on. Rock those hips. All your energy into it. And walk, walk, walk. Okay. 2 out of 4 dance moves done. Pump those knees up. Drive those elbows. Come on, guys. All right, we're going to go into our third dance move. Our V-step. 4 on each leg. Out, out, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's called a V-step because we make a V with our feet. We go out, out, and come back to a center. That's it. 4. That's it. Let's go again. Up, up, down, down. You are surviving. Come on, bring it up. 4 more. For 3 more. For 2. And 1. Walk, walk, walk. Come on. Pump those legs. Are you ready? We're going to do it again. Here we go. Out we go. Lots of energy. Out we go. Work your whole body. Reach those arms. Now remember, if this is easier for you, no arms. That's okay. In any of your dance moves, walk, walk, walk. You don't have to use your arms. That's just going to add a level of intensity for you. But if you find that hard, just work your feet. That's okay. It's your workout. All right, we have one more dance move. It's a grapevine. So we're going to go side behind and side behind together. Side behind together. Now, if you want modification, side together. Side together. That's it. Or let's go. Walk, walk, walk. Go back to that grapevine where you step behind. Whatever's easier for you. Take it back. Come on, pump it up. Power it to the end. One more grapevine. Let's go. Now roll it out. Roll it out. That's it. Keep it going. Come on. Walk, walk, walk. Power it up to the end. Come on, stay strong. Stay energetic. You will thank your body for walking today. Go, 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 go. And woohoo! Let's take it out. Take it in. Take it out. Take it in. Can you see how I'm playing with the beat? We want to have fun with it. Walk, walk, walk. One more time. And you made it. Well done, everybody. Awesome job, everybody. That was 15 minutes down. Now, don't forget, the method here is to do it for the next 3 days and then take a rest break. So what we're going to do is we're going to release the next video in that time so that you can go right into it after that rest day. Now, if you love this workout, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to have a full workout, we've got heaps of DVDs available on Amazon, so catch them there. Thanks, everyone, for walking with me, and I'll see you again soon.